This is our consequence of chemical phasing that is mentioned in your electrical workshop lab, and this is the project, this is the final year project that produced by the electrical engineering department is a welding transformer that make up the third year students of GSM Polytechnic. And this topic is the sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp that is for the electrical workshop lab. And this is the solar panel that is used in the workshop for mainly the transmission and distribution of electrical power. And it is the lighting. This is our electrical workshop one and two lab. We utilized for third semester and sixth semester electrical engineering department course that mainly concentrate on this following experiments that started designing and different types of experiment at form of this and also decimation, disintegration, and electrical. This is the lab that are doing the third semester students of electrical engineering department. That is the 30 of the transformers, that is the twin branches, that is the speed control of DC motor, and this is the calculation of three-phase electrification, and this is the motor the self-excitation or properly excitation of DC generator and DC motor. And this is the manual that are actually placed on the wall for students students in this lab. And this is the connection of three-phase transformer that is to be performed in the unit lab. This is the study the synchronization of motor, and this is lab to be performed in the fourth semester of electrical department. That was to be performed during this period, and the parallel operation of transformer, and this lab to be the study of the study to the different techniques of the user. in the transformer winding. So it's the primary and secondary types of windings there, but we have using this lab. This lab to be performed. These labs have to be performed by students of electrical engineering. This is the electrical machine one lab of GSM Polytechnic of Electrical Engineering Department. This is the lab of Electrical Engineering Department of GSM.
This is our electrical circuit and network lab of Electrical Engineering Department, GSM Polytechnic. This is our lovely workshop, this is a lovely blackboard, and this is the trainer kit that's to be used in different types of circuits and different types of network theorems. That is the Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, and this is the user manuals that are very important for every students of electrical engineering students of GSM Polytechnic. And these all trainer kits also very much useful for carry out their experiments of different fields. There is the LVDT, this is the frequency measurement, that is the LCR trainer kit, this is the cable fault, different types of cable fault are there in different types of circuits, that is the underground or over voltage circuits, and this is the labs to be performed, this is the user manuals, this records, and this is the it's a lovely place for carrying out their projects or experiments. This is the project trainer kits, that is the project words. It is very useful for every students. Not only they carry out their projects work, but also these networks or network theorem are very much useful for any theoretical portion of their circuit theory or any kinds of circuits that are useful. So this is all about our labs of GSM Polytechnic Electrical Engineering Department. This lab is noted by Electrical Circuit and Network Lab, and this lab is the Power System Lab. And finally, this is our electrical departmental. Okay, this is our electrical department, and this is our faculty rooms. This is our faculty room of electrical engineering department, and this is the faculties that are this is the faculties that are seated here And this is the honorable, this is the this is the seat for honorable HOD sir, and this is different office and different uh, uh, different books or different manuals are there. And this is the whole of the electrical engineering department of GSM Polytechnic. So I think you are very much, so this is the overall scenario of labs and the electrical department of GSM Polytechnic. And I think you are very much eager to join in this college as well as throughout their admission process. And I think your your future will be very benefited by admitted through this college. Okay, thank you.
System lab of electrical engineering department of GSM Polytechnic, and its view is there. This is our lab. The system lab means transmission distribution of power, and the switchgear protection lab. That labs to be performed by our students of electrical engineering department. This is activity power switch, and this is the performed by our electrical engineering department. The third year and second year of the system by our students. This is the relationship. It's the kind of current source. This is the network cycle. This is actually the solar facade that's also to be performed by our system of electrical engineering. This is the blackboard to be used. This is the model that mainly used at time by our students of transmission distribution and power and the switchgear production of the different labs that are performed by second year and third year electrical engineering permanent students. This is the wind power and this is circuit breaker motor, the kit that we performed by